Hi, Norman Drainshore from the Sea Dog line. Another great product for 2022 is our scraper. This is a scraper that allows you to scrape barnacles on a side of a boat or a few other applications. It's a standard Acme thread, so you can go on the end of a boat hook, which we like right here, or if you've got something else, a stick that's got that Acme thread, you can put it on there. We really don't want to see people taking an edge trimmer for your lawn and scraping barnacles on a boat. That's all bad. We want to do plastic. So this one's great to lean over the edge of the boat, scrape down the side. Secondary use that came around was people want big trucks, and the big trucks are way up in the air, and when it snows and has ice, another wonderful product to take out for an inexpensive and be able to scrape off the ice and the snow. You can see all the great products at sea-dog.com. Safe boating out there.